Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to clip content to a frame in Figma. To get started, select any rectangle and create a shape within the frame. If you want to change the color, you can do so easily. On the left sidebar, you will see that the rectangle is inside the frame layer. If you move the shape to the edge of the frame, it will remain inside the frame. However, if you move it outside the frame, you will notice that the shape is no longer inside the frame. To solve this issue, drag the shape to the edge of the frame and resize it so that it extends beyond the frame like this. Now you can see that the shape is still part of the frame layer, and that's how you can clip content to a frame in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already.